Hello everyone. In 2019, it seems that everything is a paid subscription. A few years ago, we could just buy software and get free updates for a period of time. Now we have to pay for a plan in order to use creative software. This video is geared towards people that are looking for free software to start up their career, for bloggers, video editors, music producers, streamers, photo editors, graphic designers. This works for Windows, Linux, and Mac. For bloggers, I recommend Google Sites. It's free, and all you need is a Gmail account. It has a few themes to stylize your website, and the website builder is easy to use and is quite nice. How it works is the files like graphics, pictures, text will automatically be saved in a folder on your Google Drive. If you're worried about your videos on your website taking up space on your Google Drive, you can always upload the videos as unlisted on your YouTube channel. Then under the Insert tab, you can add your videos to the site. Now, if you have a paid domain to your website, then all you have to do is change your CNAME settings to this. It will be under DNS settings on your domain provider's website. Mine is Google Domains, which provides privacy protection built in. $12 a year is not bad. If this is not available in your country, then I recommend Cloudflare. Now, for my video editor friends, I have used Windows Movie Maker, VideoPad, Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Olive. Olive is the best in my opinion. It's open source and was built from the ground up by a single guy, even though it's considered unstable because it's in alpha. In my opinion, it's more stable than Premiere Pro, and one of the issues I had with Premiere was it was not saving half the time with Autosave turned on. Olive has a great project recovery. It runs smoothly. It is in alpha, so all the features are not there yet, but it's being updated on the regular. Olive is made to be a better clone of Premiere, and everything is within reach, unlike most editors have different layers to get to anything, which makes deadlines and easy workflow impossible. Now, let's move on to music. All I have to say is LMMS. It's like FL Studio, but free. It has a ton of features, and you should definitely check out if you're a music producer. For audio recording, like voiceovers like this one, I use Audacity. It's just simple. For recording and streaming your gameplay, or you just want to record your desktop, OBS has your back. It has been updated regularly. It's simple to set up with its all configuration wizard, which scans your hardware to set up the best settings for streaming and recording. Now, with the new update, you can sign in with your Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer account, and there's many other options as well. And another cool feature it has is now it has widgets, so you can see your chat within the OBS app and other ones as well, like to change your stream title or the game that you're playing, which makes a streamer's life a lot easier because you don't have to have extra Chrome tabs open. And if only I had a second monitor, I would actually enjoy it to the full. Now, what you probably don't need a second monitor for is editing photos. Well, I think. So Lightroom alternative I recommend would be Darktable. It runs very smooth, has different options for adjusting your photos. Now, I could just recommend GIMP and just end the video right now, but Photoshop and GIMP are not the same. Because I grew up with Photoshop, I know all the shortcuts and everything, like second nature. It's very hard to switch over to GIMP, things are in different places and stuff like that. So one thing I tried was to install a skin called GIMP Shop to give it a whirl, and because what GIMP Shop does is it makes it as close as Photoshop as possible, but still GIMP. So it worked for a little bit, but then I found some things out of place, so it was still a learning curve for me. So I would recommend Photopea. It's a good option. It's an online editor. It's a closed copy of Photoshop. And the catch is it runs an ad as you work on your art piece, but it's not a big deal because the ad stays in its lane and it understands personal space. You can pay monthly to get rid of the ad and stuff and some other features, but the free one is great because it has all the Photoshop features on there as the paid one does. Do not use ad blocker on this site because it'll detect it and it will annoy you with all these messages. So if you like drawing, get Krita or whatever it's called. I don't know. I'm not an artist, but I heard it's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way through. If you liked it, you know what to do. If you want to watch more, make sure you subscribe for new videos. My next video is actually going to be a waterproof, affordable mechanical keyboard. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. And if there's any software I have missed that's free and is good, make sure you put a comment below and just let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.